In a government function, Mr. Sidramaya, Mr. H.K. Patil and Mr. Lad, they have tried to convert it like a Congress function. So instead of trying to do something good for the people, instead of trying to do the development of the state, these people are only involved in political sloganeering. Their party started, Indira Gandhi spoke about Garibi Hatao. No Garibi got hataud in India. Like only Garibi went on increasing. The Garibi, in case if the Garibi percentage of people, a huge number of people came out of Garibi, that is during Mr. Narendra Modi's time. These people spoke about out of 1 rupee, only 15 paise reaches end man. So the in between all 85 paise was gets leaked. This is the statement made by Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. And till that time, there was only Congress government which was ruling the country. And they themselves, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi himself admitted that the Congress is party to this huge loot. Today also regarding Mahadavi, whatever positive steps are taken, they are taken during the BJP government in the state. Now the issue is in the Supreme Court. Goa Wildlife Warden has issued an order stating that this Mahadavi project cannot be implemented. So against that, our government has gone to Supreme Court. So Supreme Court has to resolve this issue. Instead of pursuing the matter in the Supreme Court and ensuring that the issue get resolved, these people are doing the sloganeering and honestly trying to blame BJP for the inefficiency of their Congress government.